Pity and faith prevail even in nature. Hyderabad, February 13, 1995. In the weekly discourse held at Sri Satyasai Study Circle, second floor, G. Pullareddy Building, Abbots, Hyderabad, Dr. Rauri Bharadwaja, Sai Sevak, described the structure of Lord Shiva in his own style of short stories in the touching way. According to Bharadwaja, pity, faith, and gratitude constitute a separate entity existing at all times in all creatures, and even expression of any little amount of these qualities amply amounts to displaying the presence of Lord Shiva. Describing about pity, he narrated the story of raindrop, which goes as follows. On a rainy day in the afternoon, it rained well, and many raindrops fell on the things of nature. The rain stopped. A raindrop which happened to fall on a leaf of a tree somehow maintained a balance and was dancing on the leaf from this margin to that margin and that margin to this margin without falling on the ground. After seeing its dance for some time, the leaf got angry and ordered the raindrop either to stop its dance or to fall down on earth. Then the raindrop stopped its dance and showed the leaf a poor old woman sitting nearby with her granddaughter, weeping for food. The leaf could not understand and asked what was great in it. The raindrop humbly told that due to its movement on the leaf, being midday, the rays of sun which had fallen on it made it twinkle, and that the seen twinkling movements was much to attract the attention of a little girl who kept quite enjoying the twinkling dance scene and thus forgetting hunger. Listening to this, the leaf was ashamed and promised to the raindrop to emulate the quality of pity from the moment itself. While detailing about faith, Bharadwaja brought out the story of small flowering plant. The story goes like this. There was a devotee of Lord Shiva who had a small garden. One day he wanted to perform special worship to Lord Shiva with the garlands, and therefore on the previous day evening he checked the flowering plants in this garden to have an idea about the quantity of flowers. By the by, he saw a very small plant which had not even a single bud. He just had a glance at it and went away. On the next day, when he came to pluck the flowers, to his surprise, he found 2 flowers at the top of every small plant which had no buds till the other day. He could not resist himself without asking the small plant as to how it could give 2 flowers overnight. The small plant gently replied him that after his departure, all plants had a meeting and decided to give more flowers so that they can reach the feet of Lord Shiva during the worship, and therefore the small plant too happily put forth all the great efforts and could bring flowers with all eagerness to touch the feet of Lord Shiva and get liberation. When such is the faith of plants and flowers towards God, it must be our motto to at least to reach nearer to such faith towards God. Bharadwaja added. From these stories, Mr. Bharadwaja concluded that we should always express gratitude and have faith on the Almighty for having blessed and given in this human body to attain bliss by our good actions as envisaged in the stories. The Study Circle and Satyasai Seva Organization Koti Samiti convener Sri P. Visveswara Shastri welcomed the speaker Dr. Ravuri Bharadwaja and proposed vote of thanks. Finally, program concluded with offering Harati to Bhagwan Sri Satyasai Baba Varu by Dr. Ravuri Bharadwaja Garu. Om Sri Sai Ram.